Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to the wireless network on your Amazon Kindle. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on our settings icon and from here go to all settings. Now select wireless and from here make sure that aeroplane is disabled like that. Go for the Wi-Fi networks. From here you will see the list of all available Wi-Fi networks. You can rescan them if you want. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect and you'll need to enter the password if the network is protected by one. So simply enter the password. You can hide the password if you don't want anybody to see it. It will be protected by these dots. You can also save the password for your Amazon, and after doing all that you can press connect and you'll be connected with a wireless network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.